If, like most gardeners, you grow things like broad beans, runner beans and French beans, you're all going to have the same problem in common, and that's blackfly, because they very quickly populate your plant and they live mainly on your stems and they're very easy to spot. It's also something that you need to get on top of straight away, and there is ways to deal with this problem. One example of, with your broad beans, once your broad beans get flowers on them, that's when it's most likely to attract blackfly. So as soon as you see flowers on your broad beans, pinch the tops of those plants off, because the blackfly can't land on that plant if that top platform isn't there. So with broad beans, that's one way you can deal with it. But if you've already got blackfly on your plants, then there's a couple of things you can do to sort that problem out. And first we'll have a look at an infestation of blackfly. So if you look right there on that stem, that's a perfect example of blackfly. Also on the leaves. Right there. And you can just brush these off, but there's always a chance they'll come back. So now you've seen what blackfly looks like on your plants, and there's a couple of ways that you can deal with that. You can just brush them off, but the chances are you're not going to get them all, and they could return as well. Or if you've got some kind of a pressure sprayer, you can just blast them off with tap water. But again, it's not guaranteed that they won't try and get back on your plant. So a better way to deal with that problem is to add about half a teaspoon of washing up liquid to a small sprayer, about a litre sprayer, and give that a good shake up so it goes nice and foamy, and then spray them with that, because what that will do is the suds from that detergent will basically prevent them from breathing, and so they'll actually die. So you've got two choices how to do that. So I'll just nip back down and I'll get these sprayed with the pressure sprayer that I use, which, if you want one, because they are a very handy tool to have, I'll leave a link in the description so you can get yourself one. And they hold about 5 litres or a gallon of water, and I have two of them. I have one that I use for watering, and I have another one that's always got some kind of pesticide mix in it that I make myself. So as soon as I see problems on my plants, I can deal with that straight away. So let's go and blast these little blackflies off of those plants, because all they're going to do is cause problems. So if you've got some kind of a pressure sprayer, you could just use water and blast them off. They'll come off quite easily. But you'll need to check every part of your plant. I've also got some beans growing as well. You'll have to keep repeating that process until they've all gone. So now you've seen that demonstration, you've seen what to look for, where they're most likely to colonate on your plants, and which plants specifically they tend to go on, which is your beans, broad beans, runner beans, French beans. And now you also know how to deal with that problem as it occurs, because you'll get rid of them as soon as you see them, which is the best thing to do, but that doesn't mean that they won't be back. So keep your spray bottle handy for when that does occur in future. Anyway, if you liked this video and found it informative, then please just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next update. You all take care. Thank you for watching.